Tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Imagine a robot that scrubs, vacuums, and cleans your entire pool automatically, floor, walls, and waterline included. Meet the Beatbot Sora 70, the 2026 upgraded pool cleaning robot. Designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 3,200 square ft, the Beatbot Sora 70 combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and convenient features to make pool maintenance completely effortless. 360 degrees top-to-bottom cleaning. Cleans every surface of your pool, including floors, walls, and the waterline, leaving no spot untouched. Smart surface parking. Automatically parks itself on the pool deck after cleaning for easy retrieval and storage. 6L debris capacity and 6,800 GPH suction. Powerful 6,800 GPH suction combined with a large 6-liter filter basket captures leaves, sand, and dirt efficiently. Coverage for large pools. Ideal for pools up to 3,200 square ft, making it perfect for larger residential pools. Durable and stylish deep blue design. Built to withstand chemicals, sunlight, and frequent use, with a sleek, modern look. Complete 360 degrees cleaning including floors, walls, and waterline. High-powered suction for fast and thorough cleaning. Smart parking makes maintenance effortless. Heavier than some other pool robots, making manual handling slightly challenging. Premium price compared to basic pool vacuums. Overall, the Beatbot Sora 70 is a powerful and reliable pool robot for anyone who wants a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort. Want to take pool cleaning off your hands? Check the latest price and details here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home and tech reviews.